Hello learners, today we're going to learn about prefixes. Prefixes are meaningful word parts that can be added to the beginning of a base word. We're going to identify a common prefix, re, and explore how the meaning of a word is changed by adding re. Be sure to have with you before you start a piece of paper and something to write with. So let's get started. Take a look at this word. I will return this book to the library. Return. What does this word mean? I will return this book to the library. That means I'm going to take this book back to the library. In the word return, re is a prefix, and you see I have a star around it. This prefix means back or again. Prefixes go at the front of words. In the word return, re is in front of the word turn. Turn is our base word. If we take the prefix away, we're left with turn. Return means to take something back. Let's look at another one. This is the word replay. Let's look at this word. To read words with prefixes, there are 3 steps we can use. Step 1, find the prefix and circle it. Step 2, underline the rest of the word and read it. Play. Step 3, read the whole word. Replay. I will replay the recording. Replay means to play something again. The prefix re can mean again, like it does in the word replay. Let's look at another one. We're going to follow the 3 steps that we just learned to read some words together. So in this word, the first step is to find the prefix and circle it. So we find the prefix re and circle it. The next step is to underline the rest of the word and read it. Do. The last step is to read the whole word. Redo. I need to redo my work to make it better. I need to do it again to make it better. Let's try another one. Let's read this word together following the 3 steps. First step is to find the prefix and circle it, re. Next step is to underline the rest of the word and read it. So I'm going to underline, not the whole word, I'm going to underline name. And the last step is to read the whole word, rename. I need to rename my file before I save it. So I need to go back and name the file before I can save it on my computer. Let's try another one. First step is to find the prefix, which we know comes at the beginning, and circle it, re. Next step is to underline the rest of the word, not the whole word, the rest of the word after the prefix, and read it, which is read. The last step is to read the whole word, reread. I had to reread the story to improve my understanding. I had to read it again to make sure I understood what I read. How about this one? First is we have to find the prefix, which comes at the beginning, re, and circle it. Then next step is we underline the rest of the word and read it, mix. The last step is to read the whole word, remix. I put together a remix list of songs. I put together a list of songs again that I knew. How about this one? First, we circle the prefix re. Next, we take the rest of the word after the prefix and underline it and read it. Draw. Then we read the whole word. Redraw. I wanted to redraw my picture so that it would have more details. I wanted to draw it again so that it would have more details. Let's do another one. First, we circle the prefix re. Next, we take our underline and underline the rest of the word. Fold. Then we read the whole word. Refold. My dad had to refold the laundry after the dog got into the basket. He had to fold the laundry again. Next one, circle the prefix re. Take our rest of our word and underline it and read it heat. And then read the whole word, reheat. I put the food back in the microwave to reheat it. I had to put it back again so that it would get warm. Now it's going to be your turn. Let's see if you can find the prefix in these words on your own. Remember to circle the prefix, underline the rest of the word, and then read the word aloud. You can pause the video here and write them on your paper and then come back and let's check it together. Are we ready to check? You think you did it? Let's see. Let's follow our steps. So in this first word, we have to circle the prefix. But what I'm going to do to help us go a little bit faster is I'm just going to highlight that prefix, re, and then we're going to underline the rest of the word, string, and read the whole word, restring. Good job. This next one, what's our prefix? Re, and what's the rest of the word? Tell. What word do we have? Retell. Nice job. Next one, what's the prefix? Re. What's the rest of the word? Fresh. Read the word. Refresh. Nice job. Next one, what's the prefix? Re. And what's the rest of the word? Sell. And read the whole word. Resell. Nice job. Next one, what's the prefix? Re. And what's the rest of the word? Paint. Read the whole word. Repaint. Let's keep going. Next one, what's the prefix? Re. And what's the rest of the word? Test. And what word do we have? Retest. Nice. How about this one? What's the prefix? Re. And what's the rest of the word? Send. And what word do you have? Resend. Good job. How about this one? The prefix is re. The rest of the word is place. And what word do you have? Replace. Good. How about this one? The prefix is re. And the rest of the word is type. And what's the word? Retype. Good job. And how about this one? What's the prefix? Re. What's the rest of the word? Pack. Read the whole word. Repack. Nice job. You did it. So today we learned about prefixes. And what is a prefix? A meaningful word part that we add to the beginning of a word. The next few slides show some charts of different types of prefixes. Which prefix did we learn today? We learned about the prefix re. And what does it mean? It can mean again or back. Like I have to retell the story. I'm going to tell back what I read. Or I have to repaint the wall. I have to paint it again because maybe I missed a spot. So prefixes, remember, are meaningful word parts that come at the beginning of a base word. And that helps us when we're reading to understand the vocabulary.